So in this one, we're going to talk about creating a Google account and making a channel. And please watch this, even if you think that it's the most obvious thing. And no, I'm not about to show you how to create a Google account because there is no secret. You just go to Google and create a new account for your YouTube channel, but don't do it just yet. Okay, hear me out. So create a brand new account strictly for YouTube purposes. First of all, we all have that one account that we have been using for years to watch videos and whatnot. That's not the account you're going to use. Create a brand new account that you will connect with your brand new YouTube account or channel. Have all your YouTube accounts connected to this particular email because it'll be then easier to use Google AdSense because you can attach your legal information to one account only. Just trust me on this one, okay? Keep this account in secret. I'm about to show you everything, so don't worry if you're confused. Create another Gmail account for public use, sharing with sponsors. This is the example of the public account, okay? That's the one displayed on my profile. So that way, so let me break it down. So in this part, I'm talking about one different account. So like one Google account, right? So, and then there's gonna be a separate account for business purposes. So let me show you. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. And again, please take this with all seriousness because this is just crucial, easy to implement. And, by implementing this, you're gonna really cyber secure yourself from hackers and other funny people. So anyway, if we go to my YouTube profile account, right? So we can click on here, and if you scroll all the way down, this is where you can see an email address in order to contact me, right? For like usually for business purposes, like companies will reach out to you and whatnot, or just weirdos like just email you, whatever. But obviously this is very much public information. Of course, that's why it's even called Igor98 Business, because it's like an email for business purposes, and it's the email I use to just attach everywhere in order to contact me. It's also the email I use to sign up for like AI tools and whatnot. But there is another email which I'm obviously going to blur. Like if I go to switch account, this email right here, which is currently blurred, is actually the email I use to run my entire YouTube empire. Well, when I say empire, really currently I have only two monetized accounts, which is AI Guy and my personal account. But as I showed you earlier in this course, I recently started Roblox channel, and moving forward, I'm actually planning to double down and start a bunch more Faceless channels. Maybe more on that later, how exactly I'm gonna do that. But anyway, whatever else Faceless channel with like that I'm going to start with actual intention to monetize is going to be attached to this account only. And yes, multiple YouTube channels can be monetized as long as they are attached to the same Gmail. You can monetize them and you can attach them to different Gmails, but you would have to use different people's credentials in order to sign up, if it makes sense, right? So to this account, I have my own data attached, right? If I want to create a new Gmail account, and if I want to, create a new YouTube channel that's going to be monetized and it's only going to be related to that new Gmail, it's also going to have to be attached to a new person's credentials when it comes to monetizing, if it makes sense. So if you're planning to create a bunch of YouTube accounts, just create one brand new Gmail. Just keep it clean. By the way, the browser you're looking at is also my work browser, so there is no unneeded extensions. There is no noise. It is only YouTube related stuff in here. Anywhere I click, all the links, all the saved data is just YouTube and work related. There's no distractions, nothing. So it also helps in multiple ways. So just in case some of you guys don't know the right way or how to create a YouTube account. So first of all, you need to create a brand new Gmail, right? So just create a new Gmail account. And just in case you don't know that, you would just go here and then you would click on add an account, and then you would just like create your account. Okay, there is no magic like behind this process. Just create a regular Gmail account. Now once you're in, go to YouTube, go to switch account, I believe, and then scroll down until you see view all channels. Then we just click on view all channels right here, and we're gonna create a new channel. And this is how you create a new channel. Then you just type in whatever name, and then you just click on this create, and it's gonna be created. Now if you're struggling to choose a name for your niche, I just randomly came up with this ChatGPT prompt, so help me come up with the channel name idea. I'm creating a new channel in the whatever niche, and the channel I'm referencing is called, so find the channel that you like, the channel's name you like, and use that name as reference, and they're posting whatever content. Now I want to have a remarkable 2-word maximum name that'll be extremely catchy as well, so give me some ideas.